Hi Leo, this is your reading for the coming week, that is 15th February to the 21st of February. This is Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus or Jupiter. So please take what resonates and leave what doesn't. Not every message here is meant for everyone watching. Alright. Leo, we'll be doing a past, present, future spread. Keep your energies flowing of complete surrender to whatever the message is. If the message is for you, you would really know it. Right, take a deep breath and surrender to the divine consciousness. Allow love, harmony, peace to flow right into you when you breathe in. And when you breathe out, allow any negative emotions or stress that's holding you down, any past sadness, anxiety, allow it to go. Release it so you can free the energy and also free yourself. Alright, that's it. So let's see. What does the oracle have for you? We'll take those. Oh, wow, you really have all the 3 cards here. Let's see. Okay, Leo, the first card out for you is happy. Definitely some happiness that you may have felt in the past or you may be currently experiencing. Then you have co-create. Co-creating is an energy of a partnership, that you do something that you are creating with the help of somebody, something that you are making happen, bring something that you are bringing into life with the help of somebody. Obviously, you are also playing an equal part in co-creating. You are co-creating a new life, Leo. I think you are vibing really high here, and trust me, I know how it is to come to an energy that is bringing in the abundance. We definitely have to learn from the experiences in life, and clearly you have learned something and come out of it so victorious that you are creating along with your spiritual community, your friend circle, your family. You may be creating a brand new life for you. You could have a new relationship, a new job that's coming in, but definitely worth every effort that you have put in. Let's see the message from the tarot. What is the tarot talking about for the coming week for Leo? Leo, deep breath. Allow the energies to flow freely. Surrender to the divine consciousness that we all are a part of. Okay. That's it. Leo, this is for you. Wow! What's going on, Leo? Leo, you could be dealing with a Taurus. Aquarius, I do see Aquarius as well. Some really nice energy we have for Leo here. The overall energy for your reading is the Ace of Cups. I also do not want to miss saying that I did see the Fool card as well. So definite brand new beginning for you. It For some of you, it is about love, a new relationship that's birthing for you. In the recent past, you have the Eight of Pentacles, the Nine of Swords, and the Strength card. A lot of effort that you have put into something to get, and definitely to get out of a mindset that could have kept you so much in your head that you have had sleepless nights together. But you have chosen to deal with every bit of it with so much detail, and you have focused on healing a lot, Leo. And you have come out to be in your own power. You have the Strength card here. This is your card, Leo. Definitely come out so gracefully victorious. And definitely I do see commendable effort that has been put in. In the current situation, you have the Six of Swords, the Star, and the Page of Pentacles. You are moving away from, you've let go of something that no longer serves for your highest good. And moving away from it has helped you be in this healing energy of opening up. And it's really, I do sense a very flowing state here. You are receiving and giving. You are really allowing things to come in. And you know that if it's meant to be, it'll stay. You do realize that. And this is, whatever energy that you are currently experiencing is definitely helping you learn a lot. It has helped you see the true nature of yourself. You are handling yourself with so much care and so much love. This is a really good energy to be in, Leo. Your current energies are really awesome. Your future as well looks really bright. In the immediate future, you have the Four of Wands, the Nine of Cups, and the Eight of Wands. For some of you, the relationship, the person who's coming in could really go the distance with you. It is marriage worthy. Definitely marriage worthy. This relationship is going to be so open and communicative. It's going to be emotionally fulfilling. You might have wanted a relationship like this, and this will be your dream come true. Whatever this relationship is, no relationship is perfect. I think, Leo, that now that you have come to terms with that, we are just here to experience some things and evolve and integrate with the divine consciousness, and that's the ultimate goal that we are here to do. We are here to achieve. There's a lot of setting yourself free, and this relationship is going to be, there's nothing to be held back in this relationship. It's going to be, you both are going to be so open to each other and so honest with each other. I do sense a wonderful relationship coming in for you, Leo. A wonderful relationship that could be really healing the both of you. And you both are just being yourselves, and there is nothing that needs to be changed, and there is so much of acceptance that comes in. Just because you have let go of a certain way that you've been, and you have learned to embrace the newness. the uncertainty. I think you really do trust the divine plan, Leo. You are really allowing things to come. Whatever is meant to be, will be. Wonderful energy, Leo, here for you. I don't think I really need to clarify anything. All right. Leo, I hope this resonated with whoever needed this the most. Please take what resonated and leave what did not. If this did not resonate with you, please watch out for your moon, rising Venus, or Jupiter. All right, Leo, this is the message for February 15th to the 21st. Leos, until next time, guys. See you soon. Bye bye.